Hi everyone, my name is Annapurna Agrawal and welcome to my course Android SQLite Fundamentals. I'm a full stack developer and I like teaching and sharing knowledge. I aim to make your day-to-day development task easy. For a very long time, SQLite has been our main choice for storing structured data persistently on mobile. It is a self-contained, serverless, zero configuration and a transactional SQL database engine, which is built in Android. In this course, we are going to see how to use SQLite to store our app data persistently. Some of the major topics that we will cover includes using SQLite OpenHelper class and the contract class, using cursor to read-write data into the SQLite database, using SQL methods like insert, update, and delete to work with SQLite, performing database migrations, and we will also discuss why should we use SQLite over other storage options. By the end of this course, you will know all the fundamentals of using SQLite as a persistent storage solution for your Android app. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of Android. You should know how to implement Recycler View into your demo applications, and you should understand how to write SQL queries. I hope you'll join me on this course to learn Android SQLite Fundamentals only at Pluralsight.